Did a software update break the Wlidcli Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Windows Live ID Client Library running again. Before we dive into the Wlidcli Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Wlidcli Library, the Windows Live ID Client Library, a legacy unmanaged shim used to facilitate secure localized authentication handshakes for Windows Live services. It manages the localized encryption of user credentials for cloud-based data link retrieval. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Wlidcli Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Wlidcli Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Wlidcli Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Wlidcli Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Wlidcli Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.